Right, big news coming in. There's been high drama and protest at the testing agency office. This is with regard to the NEET controversy. The National Testing Office is where the NSUI, which is the student wing of the Congress Party, are organising this protest against the NEET paper leak and, of course, the spontaneous controversy that's emerged with regard to arrests. We can see barricades have been broken. These are the NSUI protesters who have jumped over the barricades. It's clearly the Congress Party trying to send out a certain message against government in the centre, trying to step up pressure and saying that many of those aspirants from the medical fraternity, they have been wronged in this case. In fact, I can give you an update here. NSUI appears to have locked up the NTA office. This is in Delhi's Okhla, where the NSUI representatives and supporters have gathered, and they've locked up the NTA office. It's the National Testing Agency, which basically organizes the NEET examination, ensures that it is supposed to be free and fair. But for now, there have been massive protests that have broken out in this case in Delhi. So the high drama that is being witnessed. Remember, this is after where the NSUI and other youth workers of the Congress Party had been protesting in and around Delhi. And now the latest is right outside NTA office.
NSUI के बच्चों ने यहाँ पर आकर घोर जो विरोध प्रदर्शन किया है और सीधा आप देख सकते हैं कि एनटीए पर ताला लगा दिया है, क्योंकि सरकार की तरफ से कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हो रही है उन बच्चों के लिए जिनका वक्त बर्बाद हो गया नीट यूजी के पेपर देकर, क्योंकि रीटेस्ट के नाम पर अभी तक एनटीए की तरफ से कोई जवाब सामने नहीं आया है। विपक्ष लगातार नीट को लेकर आक्रामक है और आज भी तरह तरह के जो ऑफिसेज है एनटीए पर आज पहली बार यहाँ पर ताला लगाया है और कहना यह है कि इस तरीके से जाकर ताला लगाएगी। कृपा सिंह के साथ मिलन शर्मा।
Right, so that's the latest and we'll be tracking constantly. It's on one side the probe, then there is politics, and then importantly protests also that have broken out in many areas in and around Delhi specifically as a political showdown. We'll be tracking all the latest on that.